We've often shared stories with you about farm and ranch families taking some very innovative approaches to making sure that their operations are successful. Many farms today are diversified. That's the reality for turning a profit when you're turning the soil. For some, it's a combination of crops and livestock. For the Surber family farm in Ohio, it's a more global approach to providing feed and livestock. Agricultural roots run deep in the Surber family, 7 generations on this Ohio land.
Since 1802, when Jacob Surber first settled the land, we've had a Surber on this farm ever since, including today.
Raising crops has been a way of life for the Surbers for more than 200 years. But some 20 years ago, the family began to diversify, involving themselves in other agricultural enterprises. A natural offshoot was the purchase of a feed company for which John Surber had long been a sales representative.
We buy corn from local farmers and we grind it, we mix it with vitamins and minerals, and then we haul it to the different farms. And you look to see which ones were hog farms and which one were dairies.
Sean Surber is the logistics manager at Premier.
Coming behind you, Jeff.
Sean supervises the movement of 350 tons of feed each day.
This is the computer that makes all of our feed here. It'll draw up each ingredient, dump it into a scale hopper where it's weighed, and then it goes down into our mixer. After that, it's ready to be loaded on a truck.
Premier also makes food for pigs. That came in handy when the Surbers decided to add livestock to the mix.
11 years ago when we bought the business and we were looking for ways to expand, the opportunity to build a pig barn came up, and it just seemed like it'd be a good fit because that's what we done. We made feed for animals.
The family's pork production operation has grown dramatically. From 14-pound piglets, these hogs will grow to 270-pound animals over a 6-month period. It's a pork production operation that involves almost everyone, including Sean's daughter, Brooklyn.
They're really cute, and you gotta work with them to make them not scared so they'll be good mamas with their babies.
And in 2010, the family expanded their livestock efforts, becoming certified to export animals overseas. It's a project they call Feed the World.
Feed the World is really an offshoot from ultimately what we do is help farmers each and every day, whether it be on our businesses from the feed side, the grain side, or now with raising livestock. So, this is a way that we can not only touch things going on here in Ohio and surrounding states, but now we can actually reach out to the world.
Connie, tell me about the isolation facility.
This hoop structure is part of our Feed the World exports where we'll bring cattle in, and they are required by the country that they'd be traveling to stay here for a certain amount of days. In this case, these cattle were traveling to Turkey, and Turkey is required for the animals to stay here 20 days, and they're quarantined.
And you say 20 days for Turkey, but depending on the country, it could be any number of days.
Yes.
All of these agricultural enterprises provide the Surbers with the opportunity to continue a farming tradition that's already 2 centuries old.
From an opportunity standpoint, from a satisfaction standpoint, I don't know of any other industry in the world that could be better, and that's really what we all love about what we do each and every day.
And I like to say, for most people, they get up and they go to work, it's their job, they come home from work. It's not our job, it's our life, and we love our life.
Hogs make the list as one of the top 5 agriculture commodities in Ohio, alongside soybeans, corn, dairy products, and eggs. A male hog, called a boar, can grow to weigh 500 pounds. Oh, and watch what you say about pigs. Unlike some humans, pigs don't overeat. They stop when they're full.